my beautiful, fabulous beings. Welcome back to my channel. My name is MissCarly. I am so excited to share with you a wig from Noble Hair right here from Amazon. Absolutely love them. And I want to always thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate all the positive comments and uplifting, because life is short and let's just all have fun and uplift and empower each other to do amazing things, including this wig right here. So let's just get, of course, into the main details. So she's a long one. She is 29 inches. And what is super surprising about this wig being so long is that she is extremely light. Gonna be a dream to wear like all day. And of course, as you can see, she has like this beautiful wave pattern that is extremely natural. Like, I cannot wait to brush it out. It seems like pretty wavy right in the middle and kind of like loosens up. And so she's in the color of Ombre Silver. So I think the card actually says like a different color, but it's just a bunch of numbers, so probably doesn't translate to anything. But this would be the Ombre Silver. It actually almost looks like a little blonde as well, but it is absolutely gorgeous. So as for the root, she actually has a dark brown root right here and just fades into like this multi-strand color tone. Like really beautiful. It's gonna look just very, very natural on. And then let's talk about the wig construction. So what makes this even more special than like your average front lace wig is that there is a lot of lace. So it's considered a 360, which basically means it is ear to ear lace, and then there is lace in the back if you want to wear a pony with it. Now, she is really beautifully plucked. I can see already, especially with that hairline right here and this actual parting. Like, there's no hard line, which is really nice. And then as for the inside construction, she has two combs right here on the side, and then she has one comb in the back. And then as for her stretch, she has pretty nice stretch. She is a medium wig cap. She would definitely stretch large head friendly. All right, so let's put this girl on. I do have a nude wig cap, which is from Amazon. I got a 10 pack for $5.99. I love these wig caps. Okay, and I put my wigs on front to back. All right, so let's talk about this hairline really quickly. So she is decently plucked. Of course, if you do naturally want to customize it, you can, of course, customize away. Like, do anything that you want to make your wig life the best ever. This top right here is really great. I can't wait to flip the parting around here with that. But let's cut off the lace. And wow, here she is. Absolutely loving it. I feel like I'm gonna have to wear this tomorrow. Now I'm gonna take my wig brush right here and lightly brush her out. I'm actually really surprised at how easy this was to brush out. It felt very silky smooth, like nothing caught or anything. So as for the shedding from brushing her, I don't know if this even seems like a lot. It's just maybe a little bit more than normal, but I feel like the hairs are just so long. But I really don't feel like this is anything for shedding. Where she's landing, so it says 29 inches and maybe totally stick straight it would be. I feel it's more on that 24 in its current state, which is great, because honestly, I really don't like my wigs to be longer than 24 inches because it's a commitment. So let's just first see if we can kind of flip it over using a pick right here. Okay, so this is on one side. I wasn't very aggressive, I don't think, with kind of like pushing her over, but this is definitely like a soft look right here. If you wanna maybe even like pop this up, a little bit of a screen siren look, like that's pretty good. So let's just see it on the other side. Definitely another look, and of course what's super great with all this lace here is that, you know, you get all of this, you know, beautiful, you know, parting to do. So you can really take it to the limit and like put it anywhere that you want. Really beautiful easy to mess around with. I'm absolutely loving this wig down the center. She's giving me those glamazon vibes, and who doesn't want those vibes? Love it. So this wig also, I will mention, is heat safe. So I'm also saying that because I do feel like a lot of wigs, especially from traveling or just being shoved in a box or bag, that they kind of pop up a little bit here. So I would probably just take a little flat iron and just flatten this out if I want it to be like cohesive. So just a little recap on this glamazon wig. It is from Noble Hair. I absolutely love it. Comes in a couple different colors, which is really awesome. So definitely let me know if you have this wig or if you have another color. I want to know it all. I also want to know, because I'm such a huge fan of Noble wigs, that if you have a favorite Noble Hair wig, I want to see it. So definitely reach out to me on Instagram. I love seeing all of you sending me photos of you and your wigs being amazing and fabulous, because remember that life is short. Wear a wig and have fun. And if something makes you feel amazing, keep doing it. Go in that direction. Do not care about what anyone has to say about you being fabulous. Just keep doing it. You have my stamp of approval. So I want to thank you all, and we will see you soon. Bye.